Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. Happy CVS Monday. We are at the spot to do some deals for this week, June 19th through the 25th. Happy belated Father's Day to all the fathers out there. We took it pretty easy yesterday. I'm actually filming this on Sunday, so it feels kind of weird to already talk in the present. But my husband spent majority of his day, he went to lunch with his dad and just took it easy. So I'm shopping pretty late today. It's 4 o'clock. I never shop this late, but I figure, give him his me time. He does a lot for us and we truly appreciate it. So we are at CVS to talk about some of the deals I'm grabbing this week. It is a lighter haul on my end this week. There's just not too much I'm going crazy about. I am saying sayonara to that spend 30, spend 45. I just was not loving it this week. I didn't get any threshold email or text CRT, so that's kind of why I weaned away from it this week. Yeah, it's kind of small, but I still think it's a really good haul. We have some really good deals. Lots of Ibotta rebates, holy moly, which is perfect timing for that shooting star bonus that I've been working on. If you saw my Walmart Ibotta haul. Also, if you saw my community tab yesterday morning, I did post some matchups with rebate apps that you may want to consider with Fetch Rewards and Ibotta, with these sales going on at CVS this week. If that's your sort of thing, if you're trying to knock out big bonuses on Ibotta like I am, then definitely consider that. See what CRTs you may have to pair, and you may have a awesome deal on your hands. So we're gonna waste no time and go ahead and get in here and go shopping. If you just found my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here to shop with me today at CVS, my favorite store. Please be sure to consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. We're gonna go ahead and get in here and see what deals I'm grabbing. I'm starting out by doing a couple deals on my side account. We have Covergirl that are buy two, get back a $6 extra buck this week. I thought they only had these eye pencils right here that were $6.79 each, but then you will see I found two brow pencils behind it that are $6.29 each in my store. This helps me out a little bit. That totals me $12.58 for both. I have this $4 printable coupon that should still be available for everybody to print as of this week, and a $4 insert coupon, bringing my total down to $4.58 out of pocket, but earning back a $6 extra buck. Easy $1.42 moneymaker. I have several Colgate products on promotion this week, and they're on different promotions, so definitely be careful of that, and definitely look at the promotion code to make sure you're not, combining different deals together. So this specific Colgate is spend 20, get back a $10 extra buck. I'm grabbing two of the Optic White mouthwashes at $5.79 each, and then one of the gum renewal toothpaste at $9.29. That totals me $20.87. I have two 2 off of 10 Colgate CRTs. I can use both because I'm reaching that $20 threshold in order to use both. I have a 4 off 2 digital coupon for the Colgate mouthwashes, and then a $3 digital for the Colgate gum renewal. Brings the cost down to paying $9.87 at the register, but earning back a $10 extra buck makes it a 13-cent moneymaker for these products. And these are really nice products that we enjoy, so I am super happy with that. Really excited for this deal because I have never couponed any insect repellent before, so I'm hoping that now that I'm grabbing it, I'll get some CRTs in the future for it. So we have STEM products that are a part of a spend 15, get back a $5 extra buck promotion, along with other insect repellents. Now, they are $10.29 each in my store. Grabbing two will reach me to $20.58. We do this expired buy one, get one free coupon if your store accepts them. Most do up to 14 days past expiration. I don't remember which insert it came from. I do apologize. But the cashier should take off the max value of $8. At least mine do. And plus, the product is over that max value, so they would have to take off the $8. So taking $8 off will pay $12.58, earning back a $5 extra buck for the promotion. Then you'll submit your receipt to Ibotta for $6.99 back when you purchase two. Makes the final cost 59 cents for both. A terrific deal coming down from 20 bucks. So this is everything I'm grabbing on my side account. Super simple and sweet today. We're going to go ahead and check out with this and then go over the receipt real quickly in store. Everything rang in correctly. Coupons came off besides that Colgate gum renewal for $3 value. That one's always hit or miss whenever we have that digital coupon anyways, so that kind of stunk. I did check the coupons app though, and luckily there is a $3 reimbursement, so I will submit to that for that digital not applying. I rolled $25 in extra bucks, had a subtotal of $503. Obviously, it should have been $3 less had that digital come off. And then I did get back all my extra bucks. I got back the 5 for the STEM products, 10 for the Colgate, and $6 for the Covergirl. So we're going to move on to my second account, my main account, and then we'll get the heck out of here. We have Mederma products on a buy one, get back a $5 extra buck promotion. Grab whichever variety you'd like. We literally have an Ibotta rebate for about every variety on the shelf, but the cheapest option is a Mederma Quick Dry Oil at $14.99. Now, I normally get these 40% off email or text CRT sent to me, and I've never used them because I just never found anything in that sale week that I would really want to use it with. We do have Mederma insert coupons. I believe they just came out this Sunday, the 19th. I haven't gotten my inserts yet, so this is the perfect time for me to use it since I have no manufacturer coupons. So the 40% off should take off $6, leaving me to pay $8.99, but earning back a $5 extra buck. Submitting to Ibotta for $5 makes it a 101 moneymaker. If you have the insert coupons, that 40% and the 40% off coupon, I should say as well, that 40% off will apply after the coupon comes off. So it could be a bigger moneymaker for you. But with this deal, since we are using that 40% off CRT, do not pay with extra bucks because the CRT comes off after all manufacturer coupons and extra bucks rolled. So I will be doing this by itself and paying with a Fetch Rewards gift card. We have an unadvertised deal on Paparazzi nail polishes that are buy two, get back a $4 extra buck. So they are normally $2.99 each or 2 for $5. I'm going to go ahead and grab my 2 at $2.50 each or 2 for $5. I have a free cosmetic CRT up to a $5 value. It's not going to take off that $5 because it's attaching to one product. That one product being one nail polish that is only $2.50. So it'll only take off $2.50, which would leave me to pay $2.50 for both of them. But earning back a $4 extra buck makes it a $1.50 moneymaker. There's probably better ways for me to use that free cosmetic CRT, but there was just nothing else I really wanted cosmetic-wise this week that I could work it into. So this was a nice little moneymaker. I'm going to run the Covergirl deal again on this account. They're buy two, get back a $6 extra buck. We're going to grab one of these blushes here that are $7.79. Then since my store is really out of the brow pencils now, I'll grab 2 of those eyeliners at $6.79 each. So I'm at $21.37. I'm using a 6 off of 20 Covergirl CRT. These 2 $4 paper coupons for the Covergirl eye products, and then a $4 digital coupon for the Covergirl face product. Now make sure you're being careful of which blushes you're grabbing because the smaller package of blushes do not attach that $4 digital, but this larger pack does. So definitely keep that in mind. I'll pay $3.37, earning back a $6 extra buck makes it a $2.63 moneymaker. This is a very personalized hair care deal because this is just products that I use and really want. So we're going to start by grabbing the Not Your Mother's dry shampoo. These smaller sizes are included in the buy one get one half off sale. Plus they're buy two, get back a $4 extra buck. Now I did check online, of course, and these were showing under the promotions, so we should be getting our $4 extra buck back. So one will ring in at original price $3.59, half off will be $1.79. You could just do this deal alone and it would still be a great deal, but we're going to add one more hair care deal to this. So we have select trending hair care products, buy one get one half off, buy two get back a $2 extra buck. These native shampoos are included, and I've been really loving my native shampoos that I got a while back. I'm currently using them, so I want to go ahead and stock up again. So original price $9.79 will ring in for one of them, and half off will be $4.89. So these 4 hair care products total me $20.06. I'm using a 4 off of 18 hair care CRT. I have 2 $3 CRTs for native hair care, and that's it. Literally no manufacturer coupons or no CRTs for the Not Your Mother's. So that brings it down to paying $10.06, but earning back a total of $6 in extra bucks between both promotions. Makes it $4.06 for all 4 products, which is definitely a great price considering the native products are about almost $18 for buying 2 of them. Degree on promotion for buy one get one half off, buy 2 get back a $2 extra buck. I'm grabbing 2 of the women's dry sprays because we have Fetch Rewards rebates. So original price $7.99 will ring in at one of them, half off will be $3.99. want to use a 3 off 15 deodorant CRT, and we're not at $15 with those two products. So I'm going to grab one of these Suave deodorants, the 2.6 ounces, no promotion, no sale price. They are just $2.89. So now we're at $14.87 with all three products, which is in the 98% of 15 for my 3 off 15 deodorant CRT to apply. I have that 5 off 2 expired paper coupon for the Degree products, no coupons for the Suave. So I'll pay $6.87 at the register, earning back a $2 extra buck for the Degree. I'll submit to Fetch Rewards for $2 back on each of them. And I'll also submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on the Suave deodorant. That makes the final cost 37 cents for all three products. So that completes my CVS haul for today. I'm doing the Mederma by itself since I'm using that 40% off CRT and paying with a Fetch Rewards gift card, no extra bucks. I'm going to go ahead and do the Paparazzi in its own transaction as well, so that free cosmetic CRT doesn't mess with my hair care or Covergirl. And yeah, we're going to meet back in the car, go over the rest of the transaction details and final cost of everything.
All right, so we were out from CVS. Everything went really well today. Only one digital coupon issue, which was in my first transaction on my side account. I knew that $3 Colgate renewal coupon was hit or miss, that digital, and it didn't come off. Luckily, when I got back to my car, I looked on the coupons app, which is the reimbursement coupons app for if you don't have those paper coupons on hand, then you can definitely scan to that app and get reimbursed for it, which is pretty much just digital couponing, new age. So they do have a reimbursement for $3 back on that. So thank goodness. I'm going to go ahead and submit to that. But no other issues. I did 4 transactions. We're going to waste no time and get right into it. So I showed you the first receipt in store, how everything went super good, besides the $3 digital for the Colgate renewal. But that subtotal is $503 after rolling $25 in extra bucks. And then I did get back the 5 for the STEM products, 10 for the Colgate, 6 for the Covergirl. Shocked my store even had 2 of the Covergirl brow pencils left. Even more shocked, my store carries the STEM products, because I looked online this morning and my store says they did not carry it, which I just kind of wrote it down on my list just to see if they did by chance, and sure enough, they had some STEM products. So that is an awesome deal. So moving along to my main card, I did 3 transactions on that, but that was because I was working with a 40% off CRT and the free cosmetic CRT. So I did the Mederma, which was $14.99. That 40% off took $6 off. So I did not pay with extra bucks with this because that would have lowered my 40% amount. So 40% off will come off after all coupons and extra bucks. So in this case, I just didn't mess with that. I didn't pay with extra bucks, none of that. Had no coupons for Mederma. So it came to a subtotal of $8.99. I put that on a Fetch Rewards gift card and we got back the $5 extra buck. So super simple, easy, nice little freebie. So next I did the Paparazzi by itself. I was using my free cosmetic CRT. So it took off $2.50 off of 1, which is the price of 1. It was not going to take off that full $5 value because it's off of 1 item. So both my items were $2.50 each. So took off $2.50, and then I used 11 cents in baby bucks. Do not count that because those are irrelevant to me. Subtotal was $2.39. I got back a $4 extra buck, so I paid with no extra bucks with this. I just did not feel like doing that because I had high denominations of extra bucks. I had two $10 extra bucks on this account, so I just went ahead and paid that out of pocket. Got $4 back. Nice little money maker there. And then last transaction was my Native products. I've been really enjoying the Native shampoo and conditioner, so I wanted to go ahead and incorporate that into a little deal today. Even though it may not be a deal for you, grab deals that you would benefit from. Grab deals that you think that your family will enjoy, that you'll enjoy. Splurge for yourself. This was kind of a little splurgy situation for me. So the Native products, buy one get one half off. Degree products, Not Your Mother's Clean Freak, little dry shampoos, those were a part of the extra buck deal. I made sure to go online and check what participating products were a part of that promotion, and then I knew in store that they would be a part of that. Even though the store did not have the right tag on it, I still knew that it was, part of the promotion, and that the $6.79 was not the price of those. And then I got my Covergirl items and Suave. So I have the 2 $4 coupons for the Covergirl. Those are paper coupons. The 5 off 2 for the Degree. My $4 digital for Covergirl Face. My 6 off 20 Covergirl. 4 off 18 hair. 3 off 15 deodorant, and my two $3 native hair care CRTs. I rolled $20 in extra bucks and had a subtotal of 30 cents. And then I got back the $2 extra buck for the native, $6 for Covergirl, $4 for Not Your Mother's, and $2 for Dove or Degree. So, not too many extra bucks this week, honestly, that I got back. Well, I say that, but it was kind of a lot. So, in total of product today, just counting sale price, which is factoring in buy one, get one half offs and all that good stuff, $130.32 is what we would have paid coming in, no coupons. Oh, I say that every time. That price just makes me uncomfortable. Anything over like $5 makes me uncomfortable. But out of pocket between subtotals and factoring extra bucks back in, because I count those as, you know, money rolled into this. It's a reward earned, so it's a reward spent. So $61.71 I paid out of pocket today. In rewards back, $44 in extra bucks between both accounts. A total of $407 from Fetch Rewards. So I got $4 back for the Degree, and then I got additional points for the Colgate products. So that totaled about $407. And then for my Ibotta, $12.49 for the STEM product, the Suave deodorant, and the Mederma. And then from the coupons.com app, I am submitting for a $3 reimbursement on the Colgate renewal for the digital that did not come off. So that makes the final cost for all $130 worth of product today completely free and a $1.85 moneymaker. I am so happy with that, just because it's small, it's mighty, and I got to get things that I really wanted. I wanted the hair care, I wanted the bougie toothpaste and mouthwash, I wanted it all. So I'm very content with my small but mighty haul, and some weeks it's like that, and I don't mind. So that is it for me. If you are new to any of the rebate apps mentioned today, like Fetch Rewards or Ibotta, my referral links are down in the description box. If you sign up with my link for Fetch Rewards, you'll get an additional $2 back when you scan your first receipt. And with Ibotta, when you scan your first receipt and submit for your first rebate, you'll get an additional $10 back. So extra savings there for you, and I would truly appreciate if you considered using my links. I believe that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.